morning sun, bless the hills today. I hear Jah whisper in the wind, say, stand firm, child, don't lose your way. Rastafari guide you night and day. Your heart may tremble, the world may bend, but irie feelings always heal again. Walk in peace, let your spirit shine, 'cause Jah love deeper than the ocean line.
Rise with Jah love, let your soul be free. Let's move vibrations, flow naturally. Roots be calling from the ancient tree. Rastafari blessings fall endlessly.
Rise with Jah love, keep your heart alive. Irie energy, calm your troubled mind. Storms may come, but they never stay. Jah light turns darkness into brighter day. Hey. Hold your strength, don't be led astray. The Lion of Zion shows the righteous way. Every trial brings a lesson true. Every rhythm brings new life to you. Keep chanting love till your worries fade. In the warmth of Jah, no fear can invade.
Rise with Jah love, let your soul be free. Mystic vibrations flow naturally. Roots be calling from the ancient tree. Rastafari blessings fall endlessly.
Rise with Jah love, keep your heart alive. Irie energy, calm your troubled mind.
Rise with Jah love,
Keep your heart alive. Irie energy, calm your troubled mind.
rise with Jah love.
Yeah. In the morning light I rise and give thanks. Jah bless the journey, steady upon me steps I walk. Roots run deep like the old bamboo tree, guiding my spirit through the trials I see. Lion heart strong, never bow to fear. Rastafari wisdom always keep me near. Roots of my soul, Jah fire keep me whole. Spiritual rhythm, healing in control. I revibrate. break me down. But Jah love stronger than the troubles around. Chanting the psalms with the drum and the bass, feeling the power in every embrace. Truth and love are that me standing for.